I wash my hands before and after the meal.
I wash my hands before and after the meal.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
I bath regularly.
I bath regularly.
This coat is really warm.
This coat is really warm.
This sweater is too big for me.
This sweater is too big for me.
Can you show me some jeans?
Can you show me some jeans?
I am wearing my favorite dress today.
I am wearing my favorite dress today.
I am washing my clothes in cold water.
I am washing my clothes in cold water.
I am drying my clothes in the dryer.
I am drying my clothes in the dryer.
I am ironing my shirt for the party.
I am ironing my shirt for the party.
I chop the vegetables into small pieces.
I chop the vegetables into small pieces.
I cook in the kitchen.
I cook in the kitchen.
Stir the mixture well before serving.
Stir the mixture well before serving.
We eat in the kitchen.
We eat in the kitchen.
Can you pass the salt?
Can you pass the salt?
I wash dishes in the kitchen.
I wash dishes in the kitchen.
I'm going out for a walk.
I'm going out for a walk.
I do some physical activity.
I'll do some physical activity.
I cook dinner for my family.
I cook dinner for my family.
We eat dinner together as a family.
We eat dinner together as a family.
I need to take a shower.
I need to take a shower.
I'm going to do my homework.
I'm going to do my homework.
I'm going to read a book.
I'm going to read a book.
Let's watch TV.
Let's watch TV.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
Good night.
Good night.